Can you say, hey, Daddy? Hey, Daddy, it's Jeremy. It's Jeremy. I'm wondering where's evil Daddy? Where's my evil Daddy? We miss you, Daddy. We miss you. We're so glad you're going to be home. Yeah. We don't know what to do without evil Daddy. Oh. But that's okay. That's okay. We're doing just fine. Grandpa took my brother and sister out. And I miss you, Daddy. But I'm doing okay today. I love you so much, Daddy. I have the hiccups.